classic silver, navy blue and dynamic orange colors. The phone is available in two RAM variants, 6GB and 8GB. The internal memory in both the variants is 128GB, which is expandable up to 256GB. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. OPPO F17 has a 6.44-inch Super AMOLED display with a 90.7% screen-to-body ratio and 20:9 aspect ratio for an uninterrupted and immersive viewing experience. With 2400 x 1080 resolution and 408 ppi pixel density, the phone delivers vivid colors and clarity. It comes with an in-display fingerprint unlock for additional security. OPPO F17 has a 16-megapixel AI ultra-wide quad camera. It also comes with 16-megapixel front camera. Powered by Android 10.0 and Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 processor, the phone allows for seamless multitasking. OPPO F17 comes with a 4015 mAh lithium polymer battery with 30-watt VOOC flash charge 4.0. The box includes handset, adapter, data cable, SIM card ejector tool, earphones, quick start guide and warranty card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product